Deep cleaning limestone. I began by vacuuming the floor to remove any dust or grit. This will prevent any grit from scratching the floor during cleaning. Working in sections, I spread clean water over the floor. It is important to wet the floor before any cleaning products can penetrate the stone. Wetting the floor allows cleaners to react with dirt and grime on the floor before the cleaner soaks into the stone. To soften the dirt, I used a limestone tile cleaner. To clean the tile surface, I used a rotary scrubber and special pads. Our cleaning pads are great at getting rid of dirt from delicate surfaces without scratching them. To remove dirt in the grout lines, I used a light scrub brush. To remove the slurry, I used pressurized rinse and capture equipment. My client was delighted with the cleaning and couldn't wait to see the floor after sealing and waxing. See how I sealed and waxed the floor in the next video.